आपको पता है इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंटिंग कोर्स कौन सा चलता है? Yes, I'm referring to the ACCA course. The ACCA course is pursued by more than 50,000 students in India each year. If you look at any central state or big private university, सबका कोई ना कोई association है ACCA के साथ. और आपको पता है in the entire world there are students from more than 178 countries doing the ACCA. Now what makes ACCA such a popular one with students? तो अगर आप एक कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट हैं और अगर आपको ACCA के बारे में नहीं पता है, then you're surely missing something. Watch this video till the end so you'll know why. So सबसे पहले समझते हैं where does the ACCA body originated. So just the way in India you have the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India (ICAI), उसी तरीके से ACCA is basically the professional accounting body in the UK. But the interesting thing is that it's got presence over 178 countries across the world. Yes, students from more than 178 countries, including India, being a very big market with ACCA students. ACCA is basically an overall business and finance qualification. तो इसमें आप basically बहुत सारे CA subjects पढ़ते हो from a global lens and a lot of MBA subjects. So you will study detailed accounting, so you become experts at accounting, financial management, costing, strategy, leadership, law, taxes from a global perspective. So you study a mix of business and finance subjects, and everything is taught in a very real-time, case study-based way of learning, right? So बहुत ज़्यादा ये cutting edge और relevant course है. अगर आपको जानना है कि इसके subjects क्या हैं डिटेल में, तो उसका एक पूरा वीडियो हमने बनाया है. You can watch that. Now ACCA traditionally has 3 levels: knowledge, skills, and professionals. There are 3 papers tested at the knowledge level, 6 at the skills, and 4 papers at the professional level. So in all, a candidate needs to clear 13 papers to clear as an ACCA affiliate, and then you need 3 years of active work experience in a job to qualify as an ACCA member, right? Now you can start your ACCA at multiple levels. So a grade plus grade 10 you can start your ACCA, plus grade 12 you can start your ACCA, which is the most popular one being in India. A lot of you can start ACCA after graduation, you can start ACCA after CA inter, after CA final, after an MBA. And the interesting thing is that when you start on these various routes, you don't have to do all 13 papers. ACCA has the concept of giving exemption to students, and they exempt you from certain papers if you feel that you have studied that curriculum or that paper in some other course. So for example, let's say that you are studying BCom in a particular college and ACCA has an association with that college. They may exempt you from certain papers because probably the BCom cover that papers. So that way students typically can claim anywhere between 5 to 9 exemptions depending on the routes that they choose. अब आपको अगर जानना है डिटेल में कि आपको कौन सा exemption मिलेगा या नहीं, then there's a detailed video on that. उसको please देखिए, you'll be very clear what exemption you are eligible to. The concept of exemption doesn't mean कि आपके पास knowledge कम है. It's just an efficient way of saving time and money and ensuring कि जो already आपके पास knowledge है उसको आप फिर से exam देके repeat ना करें. Typically after you qualify as an ACCA, a variety of jobs await you. So you can become a statutory auditor overseas, you can work as internal auditor or as a forensic auditor, you can work in IFRS advisory, which is accounting advisory. You can work in a host of management consulting roles, you can work in corporate finance, you can work in risk and ESG, environmental and social governance, बड़ा upcoming field है, उसमें बहुत ACCAs employ होते हैं. You can even work in mainstream finance like investment banking etc. if you have some other prior experience. So a host of business and finance roles await you. What kind of salaries can you expect? Well, that will depend a lot on your existing qualifications. तो आपने obviously graduation कहाँ से किया है, क्या आपके पास ACCA के अलावा और कोई qualification है जैसे CA, इंटर, MBA, कि आप सिर्फ ACCA कर रहे हो, तो वो सब चीज़ों पे डिपेंड करेगा. पर अगर आपको मैं एक broad ballpark figure दूँ, तो somebody who has just got out of college with no prior experience and has just done his ACCA at the age of 20 can expect a salary of anywhere between 5 to 6 lakhs as a start as soon as you've completed all your 13 papers. And once you finish your 3 years of experience and qualify as a member, you can get to a bracket of 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs plus. Hopefully, if you have additional qualifications like a CA inter or an MBA, etc., obviously these figures can go northwards. Now, if you're ever looking at global mobility, जैसे आप, if you're thinking of ever traveling to the Emirates, UAE or Singapore or UK or any of the other European countries or any big financial capital in the world जहाँ पे ACCA is already recognized, then ACCA also becomes your passport to going outside India. Now, there's an entire detailed video on jobs and salaries and you can go and check more details on that. Now, what is the cost of pursuing ACCA? Well, the cost of pursuing ACCA consists of a host of components that you pay the ACCA, which is registration, exam fees, etc., and of course your coaching. And overall put together is what you eventually must invest. Now, cost of doing ACCA will again depend on आप कौन से route से जा रहे हो. आप undergrad student हो, आप exemptions claim कर रहे हो, आप CA inter हो, आप CA final student हो, तो आप कितने papers दे रहे हो उस पर depend करता है. But typically हमने देखा है कि the average cost is anywhere between 4 to 5 lakh of rupees all in all put together. Now, again, we have a detailed video explaining the elements of cost, okay, and you will come to know how much you will have to invest if you have to do ACCA, so you can go and check that out. So therefore, ACCA becomes a stunning combination to pursue with your undergrad degree and graduate your college not just with one but two powerful degrees, your undergrad degree as well as the ACCA qualification, and that is what gives you a grand start as soon as you turn 20 years of age. Now usually there is a lot of information on ACCA और बहुत सारे myths हैं students के mind में. We've got a wonderful video that busts all these myths, तो please उसको ज़रूर देखिएगा, and then I hope that you kickstart your ACCA journey successfully. So how can we help you? Synthesis Learning is a platinum approved learning partner with the ACCA. Now इसका मतलब होता है कि ACCA हमको एक लाइसेंस देता है to be able to run the course, और ACCA हमको हाईएस्ट रेटिंग देता है. So there is silver, उसके ऊपर होता है गोल्ड और उसके ऊपर होता है प्लैटिनम. तो ACCA हमको हाईएस्ट रेटिंग देता है and it vouches for our quality and for our commitment and delivery to the students. तो हमारा रोल एज एन ALP is obviously to counsel you, to give you the most high quality coaching, to mentor you and to get you placed. And also very importantly, ACCA बहुत सारे discounts offer करता है on several fees of its which we can pass on to students. तो हम आपको जब register कराते हैं ACCA के लिए, आपका cost of doing ACCA substantially नीचे आ जाता है. Now on how to avail all of this, you can reach out to us on your numbers below and we are very happy to start the journey for you.